डियर टीम एनपीएफ, निया क्या चीज़ बना दी आप लोगों ने। ज़िंदगी आसान हो गई है, सुबह से लेकर रात तक कभी भी कोई भी लीड आए, निया इज आंसरिंग what it's the most advanced version of a counselor as the next big thing I must tell you. Hi, I am Harsh. I represent law school admission team. My day usually starts with NPF. What does NPF mean to all of us at law school admission? It's a particular intermediary, a platform which allows us to supervise and monitor the leads which are generated for our law school admissions. It also allows us to give the much required transparency wherein we can check teammates are doing. And also it allows us to keep a check at which stage a particular candidate's application is. It provides us the facility to get into the details about a particular lead, a candidate who is interested in law school admission. It also allows us to monitor their application stage. In fact, the documents which we receive are verified due to the integration of DigiLocker with no paper forms. It also allows us to communicate with these leads and prospective students, so to say. It allows us to send them an email, SMS, WhatsApp messages, and keeps us connected with law school aspirants. It also allows us within our team to share the relevant lead. If somebody has filled a wrong form, we can share it with the concerned counselor at law school admissions. NPF application, the mobile version, has made all our life easy. All the counselors, including me, at Jindal Global Law School Admissions Office, use it to our advantage. And also it benefits the candidates, as in it allows us in-app calling feature, in-app making an update on the application stage. It also allows us to share instant emails with the candidates. This application has made the life easy for all of us at Jindal Global Law School Admissions Office. NPF, my dear friends, allows us the much needed transparency, not at only our end, but also at the student end, wherein we can have the best admission process that is there in this country, or I can say it fulfills all global standard for that matter. I can conclude by saying NPF has made our life easy at Jindal Global Law School Admissions Office.